I read a post the other day that says, would you delete your social media account for a healthy relationship? And for the amount of people that went in the comments saying things like, yeah, you know what? If the relationship is healthy, I'm definitely going to delete my social media. Why not? If you're really going to make this relationship work, it's okay. I'll delete my social media. And my reaction was like, what? If the relationship was healthy, they would never ask you to delete your social media to begin with. That's the most unhealthy question ever. Why would you even delete your social media because your partner doesn't want you to be on social media? And I know a lot of people on social media like to show extra skin. The problem is not social media, it's the person that you're with. Social media didn't post those pictures. The person that you're with posted those pictures. If the relationship is healthy, if you are dating someone who's healthy, somebody who's not insecure, they will never ask you to delete your social media. There's no if but about it. Why would I be sitting here telling you to delete your social media? What if you are making money with your social media? I'm here to be your boyfriend, not your daddy. That has absolutely nothing to do with me. For all of y'all who thought that it was okay to delete your social media accounts just because of a healthy relationship, this relationship is not healthy. Nothing about that question is healthy. As a matter of fact, throw away the entire question, if not the entire relationship. So just so we're clear, social isolation has absolutely nothing to do with a healthy relationship.